All right, show of hands, back in the day, how many of y'all went to the department store to get this brand of shoe, which everybody wanted? We thought it was the best, Cole Haan. So today we're gonna restore this pair of Cole Haans. Let's go.
Okay, normally I would not recommend resoling a Cole Haan, especially a full sole, but hey, these shoes belong to our landlord, the gentleman that owns this building, so we're going to make them look nice. Now, as you can see, when we got these, the sole was already pulling apart from this, cheap little welt here. The rubber started peeling off, so I think he just ripped that off of there. So they're a mess. Hey, we're going to try to get them back looking as good as we can, so let's get. All right, I've said before, Cole Haans are cheap. And as you can see, if I can get this apart without breaking any piece of this heel block, that'll be fantastic. And that's the goal. All right, so the heel block is just hard compressed like paperboard. I mean, that's really all it is. And it's wrapped in this veneer looking leather. So let me see if I can get this block off without snapping. We used to do so many Cole Haan resoles back in the day. I mean, I guess that was the shoe of choice for a lot of people outside of Brentwood or outside of the Nashville area. And I mean, all day, every day, we would get Cole Haans. All right. There we did it. We did it. All right, that sole came off easy. Okay, so the soles are off, but I want to show you something really interesting. It's every time you crack open a shoe, you never really know what is inside of that shoe. And this is a perfect example, so let me show you real quick. So these are in fact the original soles. You can see the Cole Haan stamp on there. I've done so many of these, I know what they look like. These are the original soles. Now, underneath it, this was one of the shoes, and it's just these are small little leather pieces, nothing on it. But on this one, I pulled it off, and look, it is the Ralph Lauren logo. So at first I thought, well, maybe another shoe cobbler's been in here and did something. No, everything on this shoe is original, but at some point, I don't know, I guess at the Cole Haan factory, there was a piece of leather that has a Ralph Lauren stamp on it. So I tried looking up, didn't see anything. If any of you out there know of why this Ralph Lauren might be inside the Cole Haan shoe, leave a comment down below, let us know. Again, pretty fascinating. Okay, I am going to stain these a very dark brown, just like the originals were. I want to do that before we put on the sole protector and put the glue on there. It'll just look a lot cleaner when the product's finished. So let's go ahead and get some dye put onto these soles.
Let's stick these. But before I do, let me tell you about a t-shirt company I came across, Thompson T. Here's some TMI. Summertime down here, I sweat a lot. And if you're a heavy sweater, check this brand.
Guys, like Heath said, if you are someone who experiences a lot of excess armpit sweating, or maybe a lot of your shirts experience a lot of that underarm staining, then guys, Thompson T is going to be your go-to. Thompson Tees have a patented Hydro Shield sweat-proof technology that blocks 100% of sweat stains. And what that means for you is no more embarrassing sweat marks and yellow stains ruining your shirts. And Thompson Tees also stand apart from a lot of the other sweat-resistant and moisture-wicking shirts out on the market by actually absorbing and evaporating sweat rather than simply transferring it to other parts of your body. Thompson T's proprietary layering and stitching uses reverse osmosis to actually pull sweat away from your skin. The sweat then escapes as a vapor, leaving you feeling cool and dry with no embarrassing wet marks. Thompson T's are also made from 100% premium coned cotton, and the Hydro Shield pads that are used are fully integrated into the overall shirt design and never need adjusting. All of their shirts can be machine washed and dried, just like any normal undershirt. And you can also experience the confidence boosting benefits without sacrificing comfort, because all Thompson T shirts are designed to be comfortable for all day wear. Now, Thompson T also offers several different styles. They have an original fit, which is very much like a traditional undershirt feel. They have an original long sleeve for those winter, colder months. They also have a slim fit for those that want a little bit more of a tapered, snug feel. They also offer several different colors to blend with any style or outfit. Colors such as beige, gray, black, white, and they also offer a lot of different military colors. Now guys, make sure to use our exclusive limited time discount Trenton Heath 20 for 20% off site-wide. And that's not all. You get free shipping over $50. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee where you can actually wear the shirts, wash the shirts, and if you don't like them, you can return them. And you also get a money-back satisfaction guarantee. And last but not least, buy a 4-pack and get an additional 5% off. Go check them out today. All right, I'm just gonna put a little neutral cream on there. The color on this shoe is pretty good. I don't have to put a lot of color into it, so just to keep it on the safe side, I'm just gonna add a little neutral. That'll put some conditioner back in there and bring out a shine. Okay, ladies and gents, this pair of Cole Haans has been completed. Now again, Cole Haan is that brand that for years a lot of people thought, I'm buying a Cole Haan. It's a really well-made shoe. And a lot of department brands had them, and I can't tell you how many customers have come into our shop over the years with Cole Haans, thought that they were a really great brand, and it's one of those you kind of get smacked in the face when you realize how they're constructed. Cole Haans aren't as good as the name used to be. And this pair of shoes kind of reflects that. Again, nothing against the pair of shoes that the guy owns, but it's just reality. The welts on these were sort of a rubberized welt, and anytime I see a rubber welt, I'm already like, okay, they're not even worth it. They could have been leather, could have been nicer, but we were able to reuse them. Not a whole lot to these shoes. They were a Blake constructed shoe, so the resole was rather simple. We wanted to put them back the way that they came, so we added the sole protector in the middle, kind of merged that in with the leather, used the black stitches that were on there originally, dyed the sole the way it was originally, and then the only thing that we did different, we added an all rubber Vibram top lift instead of doing the combo leather rubber. I think it's just going to give them a little more traction, a little more wear. And then as far as the heel blocks go, because we wanted to keep this resole on the cheap side, we reused the heel block. Again, there was nothing wrong with it. So we reused that and put the shoe back as close to original as we could. And then as far as the uppers go, uppers are in good shape. We just simply used some neutral shoe cream, added a little moisturizer into it, added a little bit of a shine, and I think the uppers look great. So again, what do you think? Do you think we did a good job? Do you think these shoes are worth it? If you own Cole Haans over the years, let's hear it down below. What do you think of the brand? I know a lot of people come and they will watch this video, and a lot of people love to hear the feedback. So give us your thoughts on Cole Haans, if you've ever owned a pair or thought about it, whatever. Again, guys, we appreciate you watching, and until next time, y'all have a good one.